Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today I just wanted to give you a little video on my winners from a couple of days ago with my Betty's Box of Blessings. Last week or so, I gave away 2 journals. Well, one of them, nobody ever contacted me. So I'm going to be giving away Do Everything in Love today. This one is going to Grampy Campy's Bear Creek Homestead. Grampy has been in contact with me off and on throughout the year, and I know that his wife is having some health issues and things like that. And so he said he would like a journal, and I think this would be perfect for them. So I'm going to be sending this one to Grampy Campy. You just contact me at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com. Give me the address, and that will be your journal. Thank you. The other journal, Jesus, I Need You, goes to Sissy D. Woody. And let me make sure that was the right name, Sissy D. Woody. If you will, contact me at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com for Jesus, I Need You, the journal. You know, everybody wanted the Unafraid. I was really wanting to be able to start maybe a chain and send this book out and let different ones read it and send it on. But that would mean every person would have to pay shipping to the next person. And some people would take longer to read it than others, and it could just get bogged down. I mean, I thought that was a good idea. I was thinking on that, but I said, no, just let me go ahead and give it away. And at some point in the future, I may do a chain book, but we'll figure the details out later, because I just got to thinking, you know, Unafraid was one that a lot of people wanted. A lot of people thought they would love to read it. I put the link in the description of the first video. I'll try and put it in this one if I can remember. This book, Unafraid, is going to Carolyn Scott. So Carolyn, if you will, just send me an email at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com. This gets confusing, guys. I'm trying to do this really quickly so I can get out and water plants. It's like 7 o'clock in the evening. It's still hot. So Unafraid goes to Carolyn Scott. So all 3 of you, send me an email with your addresses, and I'll get these out next week, guys. I appreciate all of you. The notes just break my heart sometimes. I want to be able to send everybody a book. I wish I could. There'll be more giveaways. I love doing this. This is something to me that is very special. It's my way to give back to you. And so thank all of you for watching Crazy Days, and we'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.